Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you this Excel function that is called networking days. So this function gives you the net working days which you define by two different dates. So here is the function. So this is my start date and this is my end date. Between this date we will find out our networking days. So here is the formula. So we are going to type here equal to and then networking days intl of this second function, and then you can see the start date, end date, and we can here holidays. So here we will go on start date is this and comma, and then end date, and end date is our this, and then here you can see the holidays. So suppose we have our holidays 2 days, or you can choose here which holiday you celebrate. So suppose I celebrate here Saturday only, then I will type here 17 or click here 17 and then close this, and then you can see the networking days is 40 between these two dates. So this function is very useful in action. So in this way you can get your networking days. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support us. Thank you.